So, today, dumating na yung in-order kong necklace sa Tala by Kyla. This is a newest inspired necklace based from their song, Babam. Yan. Segno. New EST. Okay. So, kakarating niya lang and I'll unbox it na. Actually, I already make tanggal. Make tanggal konyo yung tape sa taas. Then, open ko lang to. Itong part na to. Medyo mahirap siya magal. So, isi-shake ko siya. Okay. So, upon opening, okay, may nakalagay na ganito. And, ayan, ito po. Also, may notice kasi sila na you take a video while unboxing this. So, unbox ko na. Tapos pag may problem, ayan, this one. Also, ayun, may kasama pa na eto. Ano ba to? Ayan. Jewelry polishing cloth. And may small card. Sabi sa small card, to our Tala babe, thank you so much for supporting my shop. This truly means a lot to me. I hope you like your new piece as much as I like making it for you. I can wait to see you wear your new baby. Don't forget to tag us in your stunning photos. All the love, Kyla. Okay. Actually, matagal na silang gumagawa ng mga necklace. And this is the first time na meron silang newest inspired necklace. So, pagka-open nila ng pagka-open nila ng link, nag-order na kami. So, order na din kayo. May available pa na few pieces. Chinek ko kasi kaninang umaga. I thought na hindi pa to ma-ship. Parang matagal pa. So, na-ship din pala kagad. So, ito na! Pero bago yan, tingin mo na ulit dito. Ah! May babies. Okay, balik na dito. Ay, Minion. Diba napaka-pogi ni Minion? Okay. So, I'll open it na. Pero ito talaga pinaka-pogi for me. They are. Actually, Segno is very special. So, very na special pa. Search nyo. Why? Because it's been a long time since na magkakasama sila. Bago mag 2019. Yan. So, this is the necklace. So, ayan nga po. Ang color niya, inspired din po sa official color ng News, which is vivid pink and deep teal. Yeah, it's so pretty, right? Diba? Ang pretty.